Hi, I'd like to introduce you to the Seaga's UBS 618. This is a newly designed machine. We kind of almost call it the Freedom Machine because it's the only machine in its class that will allow you to do bottles or cans in the beverage section of this machine. Most other machines will have fixed positions where you maybe can do bottles or maybe do cans, but not do both. And in fact, our machine's flexibility within these lanes will allow you to do cans from 12 to 16 ounce in regular format. You can purchase a Red Bull kit to do the small little 8.3 ounce products, and you can vend all the way up to a 20 ounce beverage from within this machine. The snack machine is the brains of the operation. The beverage machine is what we would call a satellite machine. There is a harness in the top of this beverage machine that actually feeds up through a hole in the snack machine and will plug into the control board back here inside the UBS that will allow the two components to function and work together and communicate. One of the reasons we do this instead of giving you a full-size one-piece machine is that ease of actually moving the machine. It's also because we want to create a much smaller footprint machine. This footprint, theoretically, you're in less than 3 feet of actual space. And in the case of owning your own business, that can really sometimes make or break whether or not you can actually own and operate a vending machine on site. This machine is intended for people that have 100 people or less. This machine has actually been designed for what we would call a self-operator, somebody who owns their own business or works at a business that needs a vending machine and that typically maybe is too small for a route operator to actually come and actually service, or that you maybe want the freedom of being able to have Coke and Pepsi and Dr. Pepper products as well as whatever choices of products you want to vend out of. Perfect reasons for why a self-operator would look to purchase. Because we have a self-operator in mind when we designed this machine, we did put it into a two-piece design. This snack machine, when it comes, will come in a separate box to the beverage machine, and it allows you to get easier access without having to have a whole lot of heavy moving equipment to actually receive your machine in so you can go set it up. This is kind of the Freedom Machine. It's the only machine in this class that will allow you to vend bottles and or cans from the same lanes. This machine has an auger-based system that will allow you to load vertically your products. As you can see by some of the labels, this machine selection's for bottles, this one's for cans, and it will allow you to load. It comes factory preset with 3 bottles and 3 cans. The cans would be set up for the 12-ounce can variety. The 16.9 ounce monster style products would typically go into the bottle lanes, and with the use of different shims or cams will allow you to make a variety of product choices. And all you have to do is set up your different back gate depending on where the product depth actually takes you. It is a very quick, easy, as long as you understand what product you're actually putting in there and what shim works best, which consults your Seaga operator's manual for that information. This machine allows for easy setup and easy loading of product. You can see the tray slides out with the depression of the tray lock and allows you to go to a lower angle to actually set your products in, and then easy set back of products, and your product is loaded and ready for vend purposes. Very similar process for any one of these trays. You can see we have on this specialty tray a combination of candies as well as chip/pastry trays, and once again easy set in, load, and set back into place for easy product vending. Next, I want to show you the important stuff for most operators. How do you get your money, or how do you load your money into the vending machine? Seaga has designed a slide-out tray that makes easy access to the payment system. Your changer is easy to be able to set. In this particular case, we have an upgraded payment system that allows easy access to the coin set points or retrieval points, depending on what you're trying to do. It also gives you access through this machine then to get access to your bill box, to retrieve any payment of your bills that you customers have put in here, and allows it to be able to be set back into place in, once again, a timely fashion. Once again, we wanted to describe to you what is some of the experiences that you'll have when you receive this machine. We've shown you how to load your product, we've shown you how to retrieve money from it. Now let's kind of talk a little bit about setting up the actual price settings. This machine will allow you, through a push of a menu button and a couple keystrokes from the keypad, to set an individual price, or you can set a whole machine price as you may determine. Some people do like having, hey, customer knows if I have $1, I can vend any one product, and so they will actually go through. Or you can set the prices, as you decide. These machines have a functioning board that will allow you to set your prices from basically free to a nickel on the small side, all the way up to $99.95 on the high side. Not necessarily very practical for a bag of potato chips, but we have flexibility based on the products you may choose to actually vend from here. As stated, this is a combination vending machine. Seaga is the pioneer in combination vending machines. We manufacture more versions of combination vending machines than any other manufacturer in the world. So we kind of believe that makes us a legitimate authority on this marketplace. We make combination vending machines for locations as small as, say, 15, 20 people, all the way up to this machine, which is going to be anywhere from, say, 35 to 100 people, to a full-size vending machine, combination vending machine, that in conjunction with other machines typically will service hundreds of people. You have pricing flexibility, you have the ease of loading, you have the flexibility of actually what products you want to load in here. In the class of that this machine is at, you're getting all this typically for under $3,000, which is a great value, and it makes it much more affordable for most people to actually consider putting a vending machine at their business. These machines will allow you, if they are maintained and not put in an abusive environment, can give you years, 5, 10 years of good working service. So this is an investment, but it is an investment that pays you back money. And that's why so many people that own their own businesses choose to self-operate nowadays.